In this segment, we will delve into the hierarchy of objects in VBA. Understanding how to correctly reference these objects is essential for writing efficient and error-free code. By mastering object references, you ensure that your code interacts precisely with the intended elements in your workbook, reducing errors and improving performance. Grasping this concept will not only make your code more robust, but also easier to maintain and debug as your projects grow in complexity. Importance of references. Using references is vital for several reasons: clarity and accuracy. Clearly specifying objects like workbooks and worksheets ensures that your code interacts with the intended elements. This reduces errors, especially in workbooks with multiple sheets or complex structures. Efficiency. Proper referencing can improve the performance of your VBA code. Direct references reduce the need for Excel to guess which object you're referring to, speeding up execution. Maintainability. Code with explicit references is easier to read and maintain. Other users or developers can understand your code's intent. Consequences of not using references. Failing to use proper references can lead to several issues. Ambiguity. Without clear references, Excel might not execute the code as intended. This can lead to unexpected results or errors. Errors. Referencing the wrong object can cause runtime errors. For example, trying to manipulate a worksheet that doesn't exist. Debugging difficulty. Code without explicit references is harder to debug. Identifying the source of an error becomes more challenging when it's unclear which objects the code is interacting with. Understanding and using the hierarchy of objects in VBA, application, workbook, worksheet, range, and cell, correctly is essential for writing effective VBA code. Proper referencing ensures your code is clear, efficient, and easy to maintain.